Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial regarding the classification. So today we will be doing something related to the cancer cells, and we will identifying what type of cells are these, how many percent it is a cancer or not. We will be classifying the cell whether it is a malignant or a benign. So these both are the cells basically used and classified in this cancer, and we will be using the same Scikit-learn data sets, and we will be using the data for the breast cancer. So now let's just begin. And yeah, sure, for this you will be requiring the Jupyter library, so hope so you just install that. It's very simple, right? Pip install and Jupyter. Let me just write it down what you need. Pip install Jupyter, and here you go. So now let's just begin with our tutorial by importing the classes. So these are some common classes we always import for our project, or we import when we begin. So there is nothing new. Datasets. So we are importing dataset for the breast cancer. So this is the library defaultly dataset. Sorry, this is the dataset provided by the Scikit-learn. Now let's just load the data. Says data. These are the some following uh, common steps which you already perform while doing the program. So that must not be something new we are doing. So now let's just organize this data by providing label. We should get some label name. So let's just check out the label name. Target name is the column in the data set. You can that are label name basically. Then the labels target. If you need some descriptive thing about the dataset, that what are dataset labels, features, etc., you can go check out my previous videos, since I have provided all the descriptive video, or it is the descriptive video basically about datasets. So you will get various information about the data sets. Feature names. Okay, quite cool. Then there is again feature. Then I will, that is actual data. So here we have done organized the data. Let's check how the data is organized by printing. Let's just print the label names. So what you will see will be the label names. Basically it will be the two kinds of cells which we are going to identify. So let me learn. Okay, the no module name sk learn, which is of course correct. How it can say it's not correct? Okay, since I'm using Python, now it will be showing you the two cells. Yeah, so malignant and the benign. As I said that it will, we will be doing something on these two cells. So basically the dataset which we are using, let's say that is breast cancer, provide us the 569 instance of the data, and which is usually 30 attributes of feature, you can say. So basically we are having 30 feature names. So if you want to see what are the feature names, then just print feature names and you can see the output. So here are the 30 feature names, and if you want to see the target or the, you can say, labels, so you can again change it to labels. And labels are basically it will represent whether it is 0 or 1, or it, you can say, it is a malignant or the what it was, again forget it, benign, I guess. Yeah, it was benign. I just saw to my other computer. It's nothing cheating, it's just a way to remember. So if you again, so these are all the cases for which we will be doing our program. So now what you are doing is like we will, okay, so we have organized the data, we have done labeling it. Now this step is called organizing the data into sets. So now let's just import something from model selection, since it always help. Let's just import training, and let's now split. As always, it is the usual step which we always do. Train, test, then the X, train, label, and the test label equals to the function for splitting features, and the label test size that we always have to mention. Then the random state, which is always something different. This time we are using 42. So here we have managed the data to sets. Now let's just build the model. So for this we are using navy base Gaussian equation. So for that we have to first import that. It is also done by this. Then initializing the Gaussian, let's say GNB equals to Gaussian. Then training the classifier. How we do that is simple fitting it to the Gaussian equation, training the labels. So this is all, we are done with it. Now what we have to do, we have to just predict the function. So we have to make a predict function, or you can say we have to make the prediction. And how we do that is we make a variable called prediction for the data dot predict For test data, we are predicting for the test data, and let's just print what we have predicted. So you will be seeing some arrays like this. Let's just check if we have got some error or not. Yeah, sure, we have got some error. Okay, it says the random invalid parameter passed 42. Okay, let's just check random. Okay, it is not random. Sorry for random state. Now let's just see if we got some output. Yeah, sure, we got the output. So these are the prediction outputs. Now what we have to do, we have to evaluate the trained model accuracy. Basically the output should be some number, or you can say the percentage, since we are classifying the data. So for that, what we have to do is, you have to first, let me just write down the step what we are doing. We are importing accuracy measure. So and how we do that is, we are first import the matrix accuracy score, then we have to print the evaluation accuracy score for test labels for prediction, which we have done. So fine, let's just check out the final output. We have by this we have converted the graph, sorry, we have converted this whole array to some point measuring points about, we can say, the accuracy. Okay, so the accuracy is 0.94, which you mean is 94.1%, that it is a tumor or a cancer for a malignant or a, sorry, malignant or the benign cell. So this was the tutorial for now, and thank you for watching. Hope this would help you for your project or some university knowledge, and thank you for watching till end. And if you have any idea that I should do the program for that, or you have some something in mind to show to share, you can surely share with me. And do subscribe my channel, you will always see the videos, the new and the latest in the technology regarding machine learning and AI. Thank you guys.